Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI. We have been recently remodeling our home, and this mirror by TokeShimi has been a great addition to our bathroom. We don't have any counter space in our bathroom sink or much storage space under it, so this cabinet mirror is perfect to store all of our personal care products, my wife's beauty products, medicine, whatever products I want to be hidden. It really can fit a lot of stuff, and it's very easy to adjust the height of the shelves, which makes it very easy and convenient if I have to store tall products like shampoo bottles or anything like that. I really liked how well it was packaged. Very carefully packed with foam protecting everything. I even dropped the box when I was moving it, and the mirror did not shatter, crack, or have any damage. So as a clumsy person, I really appreciate that it was very well packed with care. It also was super easy to set up and put together. It came with very detailed instructions that were easy to follow, all the necessary parts and screws, so I was able to put it together and hang it in just 30 minutes. Both myself and my wife are so happy with this mirror. It really gave our guest bathroom a very nice, elegant look. It complements the whole look of the bathroom very well, and I think it would go great in a variety of bathrooms with different decoration styles. And that is my point of view.